Hello guys, this is your host Akshada from DHC New Homes. Today we are here at Chembur exploring one of the most prime location. Trishabh Group presents Trishabh Greens. A balcony is like the little heaven and an escape from the world. Limited balcony homes at Trishabh Greens that lets you embrace the outdoor at your residences. So guys, today we are going to go forward and see their sample flat of 2 BHK. I'm also going to maybe explain you the location advantages, the connectivity, and all the major USPs for this project. Guys, this is one of the most prime location as said. They're also offering you, balcony residences on the higher floors. Let us just go forward and see their sample flat of 2.5 BHK, 787. If you look down connectivity wise or location advantages, this one is the one of the most prime location. You have your BKC located just at 15 minutes distance from here. You have your SCLR at hardly 7 minutes distance from here. Your Chembur railway station falls at just 5 minutes of distance from this particular location. You've got your monorail station hardly at 1 minute of distance. You have your upcoming metro station at maybe a very nearing distance, hardly 2 to 3 minutes of distance. Your upcoming metro station. You have your Eastern Freeway located just at 10 minutes of distance. We strive to exceed the expectations of customer and buyers. You can see the list of things. You have your all level of modern amenities. You have easy connectivity, OC received for Cyprus. You have your non-slum, non-Mahada project. That means you will have all the new buyers, no redevelopment buyers would be here. You have a peaceful location. You can literally hear the bird chip from this particular location, guys. You can see how peaceful the surrounding is. You have full OCC for all the wings. This is a basically a freehold land and unique contemporary architecture. Guys, today I'm going to take you to explore their sample flat, and not just that, I'm also going to show you some ready, amenities. The total freehold land. You have all the new buyers in this property. There is no scenario wherein you have the redevelopment buyers or anything. They have all the new buyers. You have a humongous, huge amount of golf side garden. You can just have a look. This is your golf court. You can just spam and see how huge the golf court is. Not just that, guys, you have a huge swimming pool on the terrace rooftop. You have a multi-purpose banquet hall. You have a modern, fully equipped gymnasium too. Guys, I'm going to take you to the sample flat and help you explore the sample flat for this project. The amenities that these guys are providing you, they're giving you all level of modern world-class amenities, which includes your indoor games, comes your multi-purpose hall. You have a rooftop swimming pool along with a senior citizen area. You also have a fully equipped gym which is again, ready amenities. Just go forward and explore that beautiful sample flat of 2 BHK 786 carpet. Thank you. If you explore their beautiful 2.5 BHK of 787 carpet, as you can see, I'm standing right here in their living room. Guys, this is going to be your main entrance. As soon as you enter in from here, on your left hand side, you have your beautiful four-seater of dining space. This is your four-seater dining area with this full length mirror given right here. And then you have this very beautiful aesthetic living room. Along with your sitting area, you have your center table, comes in your TV unit along with your French windows. You can see, you can also feel the, balcony, as well as you have your French windows installed right here. Come. Again, you can see how spacious it is looking because of the, long length mirror installed everywhere. Just, parallel to your dining space, you have your kitchen. This is your beautiful modular kitchen, guys. You can just see how beautiful pastel colors they have, put in, or I mean, designed in your kitchen space. You have this parallel kitchen platform with enough amount of storage. You have the space for your washing machine, comes in your sink area, kitchen platform. You have this fridge unit right here, and then comes your, since it is your 2.5 BHK, this is your, maybe you can call it as your study room, or you can occupy it for your kids room too. This is your beautiful study bedroom. If in case you're working from home, this is the best option for you. See how beautifully they have designed their study room. Just look at the masterpiece, guys. Then comes your some more, storage, or you can customize it as per your needs in the niche area too. You have your common washroom in your 2.5. This is the common washroom with premium fittings installed. Then comes your master bedroom, guys. This is going to be your master bedroom with again French windows installed. You can see the floorings. This is your moving space. You can put in your bed space, cover for your wardrobe, maybe under the niche area, howsoever you want it to be. This right here is going to be the attached washroom to your master bedroom. So guys, as said, this one is the nearing position for you. They're offering 2.5 BHK 787 carpet. Can come and grab the offer right now. Thank you.